Hi everyone, this is Jayanti from the Pop Street. Hi Namrata, you have joined now. Hi Ashutosh. Hi everyone, this is Jayanti from the Pop Street. Well, let's wait for 2-3 minutes more to get more people on board. Okay, I guess let's start. It's 12 right now. Well, before starting, I would like to say a lot of people are asking what Pop Street is all about. So, the Pop Street is basically a platform where we publish, we cover worthy stories, we cover stories of people, brand, company who are doing something for themselves really great and even for the society as well. So there are a lot of ideas, a lot of business plans and everything, but very few people are there who have the courage to to follow their passion and to accept that yes, they can do it and they are doing it for themselves and even for the society. So one more thing I want to add on that the Pop Street is not only covering stories, we are also into digital digital marketing consultancy, and even we do events. For more details, I guess the best is you can visit our website. What Pop Street is all about, just go and visit our website. It's www.thepopstreet.com. And well, coming back to the inspiring stories which we always cover via video, via content, text, or any format, because I believe the best part is it's always important to inspire someone or the other. So today also we have somebody on board that is she is really quirky. You give her something and trust me, she'll make something out of it. Trust me. She is communication professional and who turned into home stylist, and she doesn't like calling herself influencer. But what best I can say is, like, she believes in sustainable decor, and her mantra is less is more. Definitely we're going to find out what exactly that means. So let's call Namrata Raha. She's the founder of 9 by Namrata. I guess it's time to just ask her to join us, and we can have a short sat chat with Namrata. Namrata, just join in.
Hi,
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good too. I'm good too. So I was just telling all our audience that you are a one quirky person. You like you we give you something, you'll make something out of it for sure. You are like so sustainable. You won't leave anything, and you don't believe in wasting products or anything like that.
Absolutely right.
So Namrata, I just want
You
to
know
know.
me so well.
Oh
Yeah.
yeah, definitely. So you are like, I definitely gonna say that you're one inspiring soul who is inspiring a lot of people out here on Instagram platform. And I just want to know more. We all want to know more. Who is Namrata Saha, and what exactly she believes in and she is doing right now.
See, I will start from when I started all of this and how 9 by Namrata came into existence, especially for your audience who might not know. So this all of this started 2 years ago.
Okay.
When I took a break from my regular job and I started working part time, then I used to hear Instagram is a platform which is very interactive and things like that. So I just thought of opening an account and checking what it is all about, and that's how I
Okay.
landed on Instagram, and I started posting my personal stuff, recipes, things like that. And then slowly I found this interest in decor community. I got to meet a lot of people, bloggers. In fact, there were very few at that point of time, let me say that, Jayanti. And
Right.
now I could see so many inspiring and creative people around, which is
Completely.
enthralling, I would say, overwhelming. so much to
Yes.
learn. So that time also I got to inspire with so many decor bloggers around, and I then started experimenting with whatever I had at my home, because I was
Hmm.
setting up my home then, and I used my different corners of my home as a canvas, and I
Right.
just experimented with again whatever I had. Slowly it interested me a lot, and it was kind of a fun exercise for me. I used to be excited. I am very excited every day to experiment and post something different and fresh on my feed, which can inspire people and also motivate me when they kind of appreciate my work.
So on that
uh,
note, like, you started your home decor, right? When, like, I remember when I had a word with you, you had a very different story, like, how you started. Like, it's been 2 years you are into Instagram platform. But, like, how this decor thingy or this sustainable decor styling came into your mind, because you said something that it's in your story also, which we have published it before, that you started with your home, with when you were not well, and you started collecting all those protein boxes, and you repainted it, or you doing something or the other. So what was that basically?
that I still do, Jayanti.
Are you
I
serious?
hardly, yeah, I hardly go out and buy things. When people ask me in live sessions and on DMs and on in comments that which is your favorite brand, sorry to say, I am not at all a such brand kind of a person, because I believe in handicraft and handmade products, small businesses, supporting them, buying from them, maybe collaborating with them. So when I started, so I just had few stuffs, and I still have very few furniture at home. So as I got some idea that how I can renovate my home or do makeover of my home, I just thought of just painting all the furniture white. That's when I kind of gave a nice makeover to the whole house, and it added a lot of good vibes to the place.
Right.
And then I had few like bottles and boxes, and recently I did a makeover of a steamer, the steamer
Okay.
that we use to to inhale steam, and so I converted into a lamp. So it's about making yourself think continuously, that how creatively you can work with something ordinary and convert it into extraordinary. So
Absolutely.
दिमाग चलता रहता है. It's like that. Because I love doing, and it's a fun for me. So I just
I'm
sneak out
sure.
some time, because at times it's very difficult. Sneak out some time and do what I love to do.
So,
So that's
like,
how it started, and I continue. Yeah.
oh, that's wonderful. But, like, right now, it's such a tough time. Like, this COVID-19, it's a very negativity around. A lot of people, a lot of me, like, I would say everyone, they are sitting at home. And, like, what are you doing, like, at this point of time in this situation? Like, how this pandemic impacted you, or, like, your career, your personal life, how you doing it?
Honestly speaking, it hasn't impacted me much.
Oh, wow.
Very frankly, yeah, because I am a very, home-born kind of a person. I'm a homebody, I would say precisely. I love to be at my home, which is my creative space, and I just play around with this particular space. And after this pandemic was hit, it gave even more time to because going out is out of question. I haven't stepped out in last 4 5 months, so I get
Right.
little more time to invest in all of this, and I have done a lot of creative and fun activities, one of which is gardening. I can focus on gardening. I have a very small apartment balcony, which I have converted into a small jungle, I would say, and I'm slowly growing my plant
I guess
family.
we have seen it in
Also,
your stories. Yes.
yeah, I have killed, guys. I would like to say that a lot of plants while learning, in the process of learning. But I have
Right.
learned a lot from my Insta family, many plant enthusiasts around, and now I am kind of confident that I can take care of them. And in this journey, I was very fascinated about growing about growing microgreens, about kitchen gardening.
Wow.
So I started with experimenting with growing microgreens. And let me tell you,
Hold a
it was a
minute, like
huge
just a second. You are into, you are a communication specialist, right? You are also doing some home styling. Plus, you
yeah.
are a home decor, I would say influencer. You accept it or not, you are an influencer because people are following you very hard, badly. And now you're talking about you're also into gardening. So that's a different complete, different parameters.
Yes,
So,
yes,
where do you get the time and everything, to get
and the
whatever you want
enthusiasm.
to?
Yes,
Yes,
yes. Uh,
completely.
yeah, Jayanti. So it comes naturally to me. I am a very such kind of person who doesn't hang on negativity or bad memories or
That's
things
best.
like that. I always look forward to life. I embrace every day as it comes in, and I am excited about each day as it unfolds.
Right.
So that gives me every night when I go to the bed, I just think that next day what are my plans. These days it's become really difficult with some work and collaborations and
Right.
many other things planned. But then also I keep my that time still. I plan my that time where I could have my own time in my creative space, where I could do DIY, where I could do gardening, where I could just do makeover of a space for my family, for myself, for my Insta family and for myself. So
Right.
I take out time and I experiment with different things. Not always everything works, but that's how you learn. And when
Exactly.
you the outcome and the output gives you the satisfaction, and that matters the most for me.
That's
So
that's the
that's how
best
I
thing.
was introduced to gardening, and I have been loving it since then. Yeah.
So you also mentioned in one of your article, and you keep on saying whenever we have a chat, is you believe in less is more. So what that's
Yeah.
supposed to be like? That's your favorite mantra,
See,
what I believe.
yes, जो प्राप्त है वो पर्याप्त है, precisely.
Wow.
That's my mantra which I always keep on boasting about. Because I believe in that. In fact, me and my husband, both of us believe in that. Not always what is prapt is paryapt, but we can try to find peace in whatever we have. There
Exactly.
is no limits for luxury and getting spending and getting things and xyz. But the challenge is whatever you have, how you can make most of it, whether it's the
Exactly. Right.
relationship, whether it's stuffs at home, whether it's the time that you have in your hand, whether it's your life. Just make the most of it. That's what we believe in, and I have been practicing it since many years now, and it has been a very fulfilling journey. So one
Right.
example, a few examples I can give, but one is home decor. If we are talking about home decor, so what as I said, I haven't bought any furniture in last 2 years, I would say,
Wow. Okay.
apart from the sofa where I'm sitting, because we needed it for our guest room. The divan that I
Right.
have is from my college days, when I was a bachelor. Then we have this floor bed, and then we have one bed in our bedroom, which is a necessity. We need to have it, and a study table. So very basic things, but it's enough for us to live happily, I would say. So I keep playing around with these things. You can visit my feed and see that every now and then how I keep converting different corners, because that adds a fresh vibe to my home, which makes me happy about this space and keeps me motivated and energized. So that's how I
That's very
practice
true.
this.
As in, a lot of people to think that हमारे पास ये नहीं है, वो नहीं है, ऐसा नहीं हो सकता,
Yes,
वैसा. They have a lot of negativity in their mind कि start करने से पहले ही वो
absolutely.
मना हो जाता है. नहीं ये नहीं हो सकता. They will never even try it. And the best part is right now in this period, what I can see. People are talking about हम घर पे बैठ के क्या करें and what to do, what not to do. I guess this is the best time you should know yourself. And I always believe in one thing, that leave everything to Google. You just know yourself first, because Google can't help you. It won't help you to know yourself or
True,
something. So
true.
right now, I guess you have a time to understand what best you can do, what all talent you have, what like you know आप क्या क्या कर सकते हो, आपकी अंदर की कितनी क्षमता होती है,
हाँ, और
the
आप
courage.
हेजिटेट मत होए कुछ भी नया ट्राई करने से पहले। आप
Exactly.
ये ना सोचिए कि मेरे से होगा कि नहीं होगा। जस्ट पिक दैट कैनवस और पेपर और पेंट ब्रश और crayons, whatever you have. Just go into your balcony and whatever few plants you have, just start looking after them. You need to feel things within, you
Exactly.
know, and then only you can feel good about it and you feel motivated and encouraged.
I
So
guess
there
ज़्यादा
are
से ज़्यादा
many
क्या होगा, मना हो जाएगा,
हाँ
नहीं होगा. But at least you can try it and you can have you can enjoy
अब
that
क्या पता
moment.
कुछ क्लिक भी हो जाए
कुछ
या
कुछ extraordinary निकल जाएगा. That will be the best thing. Okay, so I believe you already had a word, like you know we just discussed about this microgreens you are also into. So मतलब
Yeah.
हम घर पे बैठ के बहुत सारी ladies हैं, like you know they are like kitchen garden, they are very much interested कि हम कैसे कर सकते हैं. So what you have done it, you have already done it, right?
Yeah.
Kitchen garden and everything.
Yeah. So as I mentioned that I'm an amateur gardener. So yeah, I started with growing microgreens, and
Alright.
I want to give you a little bit of demo. I have this
Wow.
fun thing planned for you guys. So just hang on. It is going to
But
be
that's a surprise,
fun.
I
I'll
guess.
show you very basic way and how you can grow microgreens because I have grown. हाँ, और ये बहुत फुलफिलिंग होता है अपने आंखों के सामने कुछ आप ग्रो कर रहे हो उसको उगते हुए देख के, you know, a fruit of your labor. So it's very fulfilling and enjoyable experience. Recently I grew this radish microgreens which I would like to show. Can you see?
Oh yes. And इसको कितना
So
टाइम
this-
लगता है उगने में?
The pot was really big, so I couldn't get the pot in, but
I can understand.
yeah, but you can see the microgreens.
Yes.
I was mentioning that I enjoyed growing microgreens. These look really tiny and small, but these are full of nutrient value. These are very good for our health. And you can use these microgreens in your salads, in your pastas, in your sandwiches, just like this. Wash them thoroughly and use it. Sprinkle and use. You make your pasta, you make your salad, and just sprinkle this and use it. So it's very easy to grow. As I was mentioning, I tried growing from mustard, from methi, from dhania.
Okay.
So I have got these tiny pots for you
That's
guys
so cute.
to show. Yeah.
इसको कितना टाइम लगता है उगने में?
सबसे जल्दी उगता है मस्टर्ड सीड्स विद इन 4 days.
That is सरसों.
रैडिश मैंने फर्स्ट टाइम ट्राई किया, ये भी हाँ सरसों, ये भी 4 दिन में माइक्रोग्रीन्स निकल गए थे. एंड आई हैव ट्रांसफर्ड दिस इनटू अ बिगर पॉट ताकि वो अच्छे से ग्रो कर पाए. दैट्स व्हाई आई कुडंट ब्रिंग इट इन, द पॉट इज रियली हेवी. तो मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ कि कैसे. यू जस्ट नीड दीज टाइनी पॉट्स विद सॉइल and then you have seeds.
Okay.
So
and these seeds are easily available.
Easily from your kitchen, guys. आपके kitchen में mustard होता है, आपके kitchen में मेथी होता है. You just have to take these seeds from your kitchen and then just sprinkle these seeds lightly on the soil. आप इसको ओवरनाइट सोक कर सकते हो, बट जरूरत नहीं पड़ती, वैसे भी ये उग जाते हैं बहुत आसानी से. सोक करने से द प्रोसेस इज फास्ट. एंड देन यू टॉप दिस विद लिटिल सॉइल, एज सिंपल एज दैट. ऐसे
ओके.
एंड जस्ट थोड़ा पानी आप इस पे स्प्रिंकल कर दो. दैट्स इट. हाँ, बस ये सॉइल से कवर होना चाहिए द सीड्स. और इसको आप इनडायरेक्ट लाइट में रखें, जहाँ पे इनडायरेक्ट लाइट आता है, डार्क स्पेस में ना रखें. तो ये जल्दी से स्प्राउट हो जाएंगे. वेरी सिंपल. और बस 4-5 दिन के बाद इसमें ग्रो करने शुरू हो जाएंगे. एंड धनिया एंड मेथी आर द इजीएस्ट वंस. So you can experiment and do let us know if you found.
And I guess it's very dhania and methi, you know, these are easily available also. You can get it at home, easily available, and you can grow it at home rather asking, like, you know, buying it from outside or something. And it's amazing, like, you know, nowadays the kind of craze people are having on microgreens, बहुत ज़्यादा craze हो रहा है. So people can do it at home. मतलब कितनी छोटी सी चीज़ है, you can do it easily. How nice.
मैंने दिखाया, इसलिए मैंने ये प्लान किया कि मैं ये ना, बहुत लोग ऐसे सोचते हैं कि पता नहीं रॉकेट साइंस है, कैसे माइक्रोग्रीन्स ग्रो करेंगे। इट इज
Right.
वेरी इजी, वेरी सिंपल। आपको थोड़ा उनको लाइट दिखाते रहना है, और वाटरिंग के टाइम पे आपको बहुत ध्यान रखना है। यू डोंट हैव टू लाइक ओवर वाटर, जस्ट स्प्रिंकल, उसको थोड़ा वेट और मॉइस्ट रखना है सॉइल को, दैट्स इट। और वो
Yeah.
ग्रो करेंगे एंड यू फील सो हैप्पी अबाउट इट।
Completely. Thank you so much for that. It's amazing. It's a new thing. I'm definitely going to do it today itself. Like, that methi we have, everyone, they have it at home. So, what
Yes.
is your next project, or like, what next you going to do it, or anything coming up in your coming future, or you're adding into
Yes.
your bucket list or something?
I would talk about the immediate plan that I have. I am planning of doing this festive makeover because festivals are kicking in,
Right.
and we are all at home. But then हमारा spirit तो down नहीं होना चाहिए. हम festivals
बिल्कुल.
घर पे ही मनाएंगे, है कि
Right.
नहीं, घर सजा के मनाएंगे, and in our own way. So I am planning a series of festive makeover of different corners of my house to show people that, again, with available things, how you can decorate your home. Basic things like fairy lights and like really nice pom-pom hangings and
Wow.
handmade tassels, which is also very easy to make, with like colorful cushions and soft furnishings and nice rugs. Nice vintage wall arts, how you can change a boring space into a big festive and vintage
Right.
space. So I'm coming up with a series of festive, which I'm still planning. I'll share on my feed as and when possible. So that's my immediate plan here. And if you were asking about the future plan, 9 by Namrata, like because people keep on asking me where you see yourself 2-3 years down
Right.
the line. So I really love doing Jayanti makeovers, जहाँ पे बहुत अच्छा लगता है कि एक बोरिंग से कॉर्नर को हम कितना इंटरेस्टिंग बना सकते हैं, जस्ट विद क्रिएटिविटी. एंड लेट मी टेल यू, आई एम नॉट अ ट्रेन्ड इंटीरियर डिजाइनर और इंटीरियर स्टाइलिस्ट. I have just learned, I'm still learning, और मेरा कोई स्टाइल भी नहीं है. मैं अब तक
Because you're ready to experiment. That's the best.
Yes. I haven't defined my style, as you said, because I keep on experimenting कि bohemian है या eclectic है या contemporary है या क्या है. But only thing is, it has to be a happy and cheerful space, which I am loving, and it should look aesthetic, because there are basic grammars of interior styling and designing and putting up a space. So I have read about those things, and I'm still learning about basic grammars of interior. So what I'm trying to say is that anyone can do such things. It's not that difficult. Just keep your eyes open, just be a learner, and hang in there. There are so many inspirations around, and keep on experimenting, and you will enjoy the process.
Absolutely. And one more thing I want to ask you, that 2 years back, like, when you started with this thing, like, your page, you were like, aware that, after 2 years I'll reach here, like, where people are following me in such a way. And I'm having a huge followers right now on my page, and people are following me, though I'm not a professional one, but like, people are following me whatever I'm doing right now. So, have you thought about it before?
No, not at all. I still can't believe that I have almost around 50,000 people following my work. So it's amazing and very like thrilling experience. I thank every day the community who is believing in my work, because I'm not doing something really great, I would say, because I keep on experimenting. One thing which has helped me, basically few things, but two or three things I would like to mention for especially budding creators, and I'm sure there are many such home decor enthusiasts and creators around. So for them, the learnings, what are my learnings I would like to share with them, which has helped me, is being consistent here. If you are planning to take up Instagramming seriously, and you dream to be one of the influencers and home decor enthusiasts, so just be consistent in whatever you are doing. Don't feel low about that it's not looking good, it's not looking as good as that. Don't compare yourself or your work with others, because you should always think about creating your own niche. Just
Exactly.
focus on your speciality. आप देखो कि आपका स्पेशलाइजेशन क्या है.
आपका
आप हम किसी को
यूएसपी क्या है?
कॉपी, हाँ हम
एग्जैक्टली.
किसी को कॉपी नहीं कर सकते ब्लाइंड फोल्डली. सो बी वेरी केयरफुल, बी कंसिस्टेंट एंड focus on the quality of your work. Not everybody is good at everything, so it's completely okay that if you're not able to take very good pictures, you will get better with time. So basically don't feel demotivated.
Right.
That has helped me a lot. Keep learning, be a student here on this platform. And yeah, slowly and gradually followers will come in
Will
place.
come
You will start
eventually.
getting likes and recognition. That will come with
Right.
time. So that's it.
We had an amazing chat today. It's short and it's quick and it's a super fun filled. Like, we saw a demonstration also, which was a surprise element which you kept. Thank you so much, Namrata. And you are such an inspirational soul, which, definitely don't, like, I definitely gonna call you an influencer because actually who are influencers is basically like, people, we really want to follow them. And take my words, you are doing a great job. And
Thank you
whatever
so
you're
much.
doing, you are making, you believe in that sustainability, and that's why you're doing what you really want to do. And there are very less people who can follow, who can have that courage and who can follow their passion. And you're one of them. Thank you
Thank
so
you
much
so much.
for
Thanks for
joining us
inviting
today.
me. Yes, yes,
Thank you.
absolutely. It's my
And
pleasure.
all the very best for your bright future. And very soon again we're gonna have a chit chat again, maybe whenever it will be required to have a sustainable
There
decor.
always.
Always.
Yes.
Thank you, god bless you. And guys, it's a very tough situation. Please be at home, don't go anywhere out until or unless it's very important. I know it's a very hard, tough situation we have. Stay at home and stay safe. Thank you so much.
Stay at home, stay safe, indulge in creative activities. I have given you so many ideas. Just try a few of them and you will find staying at home fun. Believe
Oh,
me.
yes.
Like I am enjoying. Yes.
Yes, completely. Thank you everyone for joining us. Thank you, Meenakshi. And thanks everyone. Thanks, Ginny. Thanks everyone, whoever have joined us. And due to some network issue, no problem. Next time, I guess it will be perfectly fine. It happens. It's a very basic thing.
It
So,
happens. It's
guys,
okay.
keep inspiring and keep shining. And all the best. God bless you and stay safe. Thank you. We'll
All
see
the
you.
best to Pop Street as well.
Thank you. Thank you. And we'll see you again next Saturday with another inspirational soul. So stay tuned. Next Saturday, 12 o'clock sharp. Thanks. Bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye. Take care.